Meet Nicole. She wants a natural latex mattress, but she's been frustrated by half-truths and jargon. Every website claims to offer the best latex mattress, but she learned several are made with urethane foams, subgrade latex, or synthetic blends. Some contain natural wool, but use just a pinch mixed with chemical fire barriers. What if the mattress isn't comfortable, or worse, what if she needs to return it? Hundreds of dollars in hidden shipping costs can easily turn a good online deal into a nightmare. Fortunately, Nicole found PlushBeds. As America's largest distributor of Arbico organic latex, PlushBeds brings the world's finest latex directly from Arbico's certified organic plantations to your bedroom. Every Botanical Bliss is made in the USA with organic cotton and up to 10 pounds of natural Joma wool, over 3 times what competitors use, allowing your body to get a comfortable sleeping temperature quicker and maintain it through the night. Unlike most competitors, PlushBeds' entire latex mattress is certified by GreenGuard Gold for sensitive people such as children and the elderly. An extraordinary accomplishment less than 1% of all mattresses in the US have achieved. And only PlushBeds offers a free and easy comfort exchange through the mail to guarantee you receive just the right firmness, plus a completely free 100-night trial, including free return shipping if you are not completely satisfied. Join thousands of happy, well-rested customers and order PlushBeds latex mattress today.